If you have a lot of tabs open in Chrome and you want to move through them faster, this simple keyboard shortcut can save you a ton of time. In this video, I'll show you how to switch tabs in Chrome using keyboard shortcuts on Windows, Linux, and Mac, so you can jump between tabs instantly without reaching for your mouse. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Let's get started. On Windows and Linux, the shortcut to move to the next tab is Ctrl plus Tab. Just hold Ctrl and press Tab, and Chrome will jump one tab to the right. If you keep pressing it, you can continue cycling through your open tabs in order. If you want to go back to the previous tab, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab. That takes you one tab to the left, which is really useful when you accidentally skip past the tab you wanted. So remember, Ctrl plus Tab goes forward, and Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab goes backward. Now if you're on a Mac, the shortcuts are slightly different. To move to the next tab, press Command plus Option plus the right arrow. To move to the previous tab, press Command plus Option plus the left arrow. These shortcuts work great when you want to stay focused and keep your hands on the keyboard while browsing, researching, or working across multiple websites at once. A quick tip: if you use Chrome every day, learning these shortcuts can make your workflow much smoother, especially if you're comparing pages, managing email, or switching between documents and apps. It may seem small, but once you get used to it, it becomes one of those shortcuts you'll use constantly. So here's the fastest way to remember it. Windows and Linux use Ctrl plus Tab and Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab. Mac uses Command plus Option plus the arrow keys. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to switch tabs in Chrome with a keyboard shortcut on any major system. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.